Hi Pallavi, how are you doing?
Hello, Monty. Yes, I'm doing good. What
Yeah,
about
yeah, I'm fine. Yeah,
you?
yeah.
Great.
Thanks for joining me. So let us know where are you from and what you do.
Okay, so I'm Pallavi Srivastav. I'm from Lucknow.
Hmm.
I'm working as a copywriter for multiple brands. It has been like 5 years I'm working as a full-time freelancer.
Wow, nice. Okay, so you might have seen me on social media, right? So
Yes.
yeah, what made you to come to me for your money related issues?
Okay, so before joining your session in a month of December, I was like watching your content for a week. And then I was stuck in the cycle of doing more and but still feeling anxious
Hmm.
around money. And I
Hmm.
was not able to find what is going wrong. And I needed some internal clarity for that. So
Hmm.
I thought this person is talking again and again about money mindset,
Hmm.
energy healing, and it was a combo. It was not like you are only telling about money, money, money. There were you covered other aspects also. So I thought to have you as my mentor, and just within I guess first conversation we closed and we started working together. Until now, you have seen multiple changes in me. Massive change.
Yeah, that I also see a lot of changes in you.
Yes.
Okay. So, Pallavi, what is the one action that you took that I mean, before coming to me that you were not doing that, and after coming to me that you definitely have doing that consistently, or like what is that one action that you took before coming to the coaching classes?
Before I was running too much. Like there was
Hmm.
no alignment in me. I was
Hmm.
I wanted to do this also, that also. And in that process, I was burning out a lot. But after attending your multiple healing sessions and one-on-one discussion, I gave myself permission to slow down. And
Okay.
that was your true gem advice, which you gave me in multiple sessions to understand what is going inside, which we introspected in multiple journaling session or healing, those things we done. So now I have stopped operating from fear.
Hmm.
And everything is very clear. If days are slow, I'm enjoying it and things are aligning for me.
Okay.
I'm no more burning out myself.
Okay. So from the money perspective that what are the feelings that you had earlier was like maybe the fear around money, the anxiety around money, and you were just lagging or like you were running behind that. But now it's like maybe you have changed a lot there. Now the fear has gone, anxiety has gone, and maybe you started attracting that, right? So let me ask you, what is the major money changes that you have seen in your life? So what was a income level, or like maybe you were stuck at certain income level, and what is the income level, how many times that you have increased your income right now? So altogether, what do you feel all about money, how your money situation changed?
So yeah, if I talk about my earlier approach
Hmm.
towards money, it was like you have to work hard,
Hmm.
burn yourself, and
Hmm.
then you will earn money. But
Okay.
now I think it's like more attracting money effortlessly. And
Yeah.
now I don't have only one stream of
Hmm.
income, I have diversified it. And yes, when I met you, I was stuck at certain numbers, but
Yeah.
now it's like 5 times I have scaled myself. And I'm literally happy. We worked a lot, like you worked a lot with me, because it was you who was behind me, Pallavi, when you have to have the session, this, that. And yes, it was you who not gave up on me, because I was someone who gave up on me at
Yeah.
certain time. They were very low months, but you pushed me a lot, and here I am giving my story for everyone.
So you were able to scale your income by 5x. That's what you are saying.
Exactly. Yes.
Wow, great.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a biggest change. And okay, so you said about the money, right? And now about other areas of your life. How do you feel in other areas of life? Maybe it's about yourself. How do you feel about yourself and your relationship with others and your health? And about the career, definitely the career is progressing. That's why you are able to make 5x money. And about other areas of life, what are the changes that you see, or like do you see any changes, or like what exactly do you see the changes in your life in other areas of your life?
So now I'm more emotionally regulated person, and my relationship with myself has improved.
Okay,
I speak to
that is
myself with
great.
more compassion. There is
Hmm.
no rush. I'm not blaming myself. You have done this or you are in this trap or something like that. So I'm dealing myself with lot of love. And even health wise, I feel lighter. Earlier, I used to have a big number. I have to lose weight like 5 kg straight without
Okay.
not having any breakdown in my head. But
Hmm.
now it's like I will be
Easily.
slow, but I will be consistent. I have to show up daily. So the
Okay.
major progress which I have seen in myself after attending your session was showing up daily. Maybe little, but I have to show up daily. And literally, this showing up daily has changed my journey in 3-4 months.
Okay.
I don't need any more motivational dose from YouTube gurus or something like that.
Hmm.
For me, your lectures are enough because we have one drive where I go back and see whatever things are not working. I immediately listen, and that heals me because everything is inside. And if you're not clear from inside, there is reflecting outside. So I worked inside with you and you gave me a lot of clarity. So
Okay.
yes, my overall improvement, my relationship with in all the aspect has improved drastically.
So
Earlier, I was so much dependent on others, validation,
yeah.
not having boundaries, not prioritizing myself. But now I say yes, I choose myself above everyone. Very
Yeah,
confidently.
that is the greatest shift, right? I mean, you have the
Yes.
confidence, you have the, I can see that in your face now. You have, I
Yes.
mean, your confidence has improved, your self-worth, and your emotional stability, and moreover, spirituality also, right? Correct me if
Exactly.
I'm wrong. Yeah, you
You
moved.
are
Yeah.
exactly right. Yes.
Okay, great, great. Okay. So, I mean, seeing your smile, it's like, giving me a more like pumped up. And so it gives me the aspect because other people are also changing their lives, right? Yeah. So it gives me the power to change other people's life. Okay. So let me ask you one thing. So lot many people are out there that they are doing the struggles about money. There are a lot of they don't have the peace of mind when they're thinking about money and emotional instability they do have. So what is your say, or like what do you want to say to other people who are still struggling about money, or like maybe people are making money but still it's not enough for them, or like that peace is not for them, like they're not at ease, like you said, like money is flowing to you, so that kind of situation is not in other people. So what do you say to other people who are struggling with money, or like they don't have the peace with money and ease with money?
I will say if you have tried everything and still you are feeling stuck, this is the work that you need alignment, and it all starts with him. So
Yeah.
either you hire someone or you be like very vocal about what is going inside, or ask for help, or watch like very dedicated people who are giving good content over internet. So one I will suggest, Monsi is doing great work on Instagram, LinkedIn. You can just follow her and see how like alignment content is there. She's not pushing anything. Her
Nice.
free content is so valuable. So you can go and add in your day-to-day life how you can improve it. She's providing a lot of tips. Even I'm also following her on daily basis. Every new day she's having new dose of content that is helping a lot. So I will say ki just go and try to align yourself. That is the only thing which will help you to grow if you're stuck at certain point.
Yeah, great. Thank you, Pallavi, for that. So if you have to say one sentence about your transformation, what do you say about that? Just all the whatever transformations that you have gone through. If you have to say about any one sentence, what is that?
So that credit goes to you, first of all, from survival mode to self-trust and now alignment. That's it.
Great, great. Beautifully, you told that.
Yeah.
Okay. So one last question to you. So there are out there are a lot of coaches that they teach you about money, they teach you about healings, and also I think you have gone through different coaching classes with other coaches as well. So how do you feel that how Monse is different from them, or like how my approach is different from them to bring the result? So what do you feel like that? What do you feel about that?
Before joining you, I tried multiple sessions and webinars. What else I didn't try to align myself.
Hmm.
But when I come to you and see you build a space, a very safe space around me, and you were too much key what she's going through, you break down. It was not about if we signed the contract around money, so you were around the money part. No, you looked in all my areas, whether it's relationship, it's health, or whatever is going. around me. So that was so personalized to my help, which I was looking for. So you are of course different. You have your own USP, that you're a good listener. Your approach towards your client is very clear. You want that client should achieve what you have committed in the contract. So that is what I want to say. You are different, and you build a space where I was so open to you. And the most beautiful thing which I loved about this session was there was no time restriction. There was no rush. As I have slowed down in my daily basis, same I saw that was reflecting in the classes which whenever we had. So you were not rushing. Let's say the clock was ticking, 1 hour is over, so Pallavi, let's connect in the next session. That I didn't see in any of the session. It was very clear, and I was very vocal about my all the aspect. Ki, Monsi, this is problem, that problem, and you were like, okay, Pallavi, let's figure it out together. And multiple times, whenever I was very low, I connected you on over WhatsApp call without any meeting link or something. That was fantastic. Like, more as a coach, you were best friend to me in this journey, and you healed me. And now I have a better roadmap for me. Ki after finishing the session, if let's say I need help, so Google Drive is already there, and where we had all the session, so of course I can go and see. But whatever coaching I have done before, this facility was not there. I don't have any recording only, and you know ki how fast time passes out. People don't have that memory also. I had, I guess, 30 session with other coaches, but now I feel like I'm new to life coaching, and you are my first mentor who has helped me in this journey. So it's like that. So you have given multiple resources and multiple techniques, and whatever things were there, you gave me daily statements, increment statements, self
Statement of faith.
yes,
Yeah.
and self affirmation, whatever. Like, as I was
Very
telling you,
good.
this problem is coming, you were giving me exactly that remedy, and
Right.
that was working out. So that is only I will say ki I will suggest to people ki if you are literally stuck, especially women, I will say, if you are stuck, you need to take help. And Monsi is the really go-to person I can vouch for. She has taken Outfit from a zone where I was literally, I have given up on myself. But she gave me hope. Ki Pallavi, let's connect and let's work together. And see, guys, how confidently I'm talking with a big smile on my face. And a lot I have to achieve more.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot more to come. And, from this 5x, I think maybe you can just do that 10x, 20x. Who knows?
Exactly.
Like, that is also possible for you, right? So
Exactly.
now you understood that is also possible.
Now I understood money is energy and alignment. That's it.
Yeah. So you have to work on yourself. That inner work you have to do, then everything will get aligned. That frequency
Exactly.
shift will happen. But I just gave you a great, you should, do a great pat on yourself because you
I want to
choose.
do.
Yes, yes. You choose to change yourself. That is the first step, right? Then I came into the picture. That
Exactly.
is what, yeah. You choose to change and you choose to transform your life to a greater extent. And because of that big step, that you are here. So that's what I really appreciate for your decision to take up for, not for me, to transform your life. That's what I would say. Yeah. So thanks a lot, and keep going with this smile, and you lot more to achieve in your life. Lot many things are going to come in your way, and keep the pace and this consistency and this pace. If you do things, then you will achieve lot more in your life. Yeah. Thank you so much, Pallavi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye.